Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Even though the Shamrock Shake has been vanilla mint flavored for about 6 years, it actually used to be lime flavored, per the Broward Palm Beach New Times. To give you a little backstory, the Shamrock Shake was initially introduced in 1970, and it was originally called the Saint the 28th of February 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Shamrock Shake and Oreo Shamrock McFlurry are two favorites from McDonald's. According to Chewboom, fans can rejoice. The Shamrock Shake and Oreo Shamrock McFlurry returned to McDonald's stores on February 15, 2021. February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.